Welcome to the Lento training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a course in Lento. Go to left menu and click on Domain. It will redirect you to the Domain Add page. Now click on Add Domain option. Now add all required details like subdomain name, description, logo, and favicon. Click on Save and your domain is created. Now go to left menu and click on Course Category. Now click on Add New Category. Now fill in all required details like course domain, category title, parent, icon picker, and category thumbnail. Click on Submit and your course category will be added. You can also add a subcategory to your course. You just need to enter the category title, parent category, icon picker, and category thumbnail. And your subcategory will be added. Now go to Course Manager. Click on Add New Course. Fill out your basic details like the domain site, the course title, short description, category, level, language, etc. You can use AI Writer to create awesome AI-powered contents for your course. Add info for your course like course frequently asked questions, requirements, outcomes. You can use AI Writer to create awesome AI-powered contents for your course. Add pricing details for your course like course price, discount, or you can create a free course. Add media to your course. You can add course overview providers like YouTube, Vimeo, or HTML5. Add your course overview URL. Add course thumbnail. You can also add SEO-related details of your course like meta keywords, meta descriptions. Click on Submit and your course is ready. Thanks for watching the video.